Today we're at Tourelle Ocean View Residences, one of my favorite estates in the Tamarin area, offering superb value for money in a prime location. Let's go! Tourelle Ocean View Residences remains an enviable address which has been the cornerstone of luxury living in this area since its completion at the end of 2012. Perched on the slopes of the Tourelle mountain, this estate stands out from the rest, with its breathtaking location and unparalleled views of the ocean below. A total of 40 exquisite apartments and penthouses that all delight in the panoramic beauty of the region, with sea views stretching from the iconic Le Morne mountain across to the charming Flic-en-Flac area. Amenities within the estate include a private gym, communal infinity pool, as well as an on-site administration office and 24-hour security-controlled access. What's also rare about this estate is the lock-up garage and storeroom for each home, a rare find in this price range. A strict policy of no short-term letting preserves the tranquility of this community, ensuring that residents can enjoy a serene and peaceful living environment throughout the year. With its stunning location, superb amenities, and dedicated management, Tourelle Ocean View Residences offers a truly unique and luxurious living experience, fitting perfectly into the lock-up-and-go, low-maintenance lifestyle so many families are seeking today. Thank you for joining me on this brief introduction into Tourelle Ocean View Residences. Please feel free to drop me a message with any questions.